How to fix fail to download and apply critical settings in Roblox. Now, this problem usually happens when you have like intermittent internet connection. So first things first is make sure that you are fully connected to a stable internet access. Now, next thing to do is just to tweak something from your time and settings on your operating system. Now, just head on directly to your Windows icon and just simply type in date. Now choose date and time settings and you'll have this page. Now head down to change and what you want to change from here is only the year. It does not matter actually if it is beyond or 2026, 27, 2028 and up. As long as you will be changing it on the current year. Now just click on change and apply and try to rerun your game again. And that's it. That's how you fix fail to download and apply critical settings in Roblox.